invite.
Hi, good evening everyone! It's been a while po. It's been a long while since the last time I was here at this stage. Here sa Mega Mall during a premiere night. And I'm glad to see familiar faces once again. Maraming salamat sa support na binibigay nyo sa pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat. Supportahan po natin ang mga kaibigan ko, Julia Barreto, syempre si Joshua, and ikalat natin ang balita na manood sila ng I'm Happy For You. Maraming salamat. Let's all enjoy the rest of the evening. Eli?
Hello everyone, it's Eli Padilla. So ngayon, ito na yung the greatest comeback. Josh, Lia, so excited to watch the movie and enjoy the night.
Thank you po. Thank you for coming.
Again, let's give it up for RC Munoz and Eli Padilla!
Salamat po. Ayan, enjoy po. Pwede po tayo pumasok sa Cinema Chewy.
Barbie! The living Barbie!
Yes.